Every year, setting up my Christmas tree is a moment I cherish. But this time as I flicked the switch, something was amiss. The twinkling lights that once sparkled with joy were dim, casting a shadow on the festive cheer. I decided it was time to breathe new life into my old tree, to give it a transformation it deserved. Outdated and energy-guzzling, those old light bulbs had to go. It was a meticulous task, unraveling the wires and gently removing hundreds of bulbs, a test of patience and care. After hours of focused effort, a small mountain of bulbs lay beside me. Next, I want to tone down the saturated green color, infusing a modern twist into its classic charm. As I sprayed, the tree was enveloped in a wintry mist, each branch and needle getting a delicate, frosty touch. The once green boughs now whispered of snow's capped wonder, hinting at a fresh, contemporary elegance. Let's light it up again. I bought an LED string. With 500 twinkling bulbs, they offer brilliant luminosity, efficiency, and safety. As I carefully wrapped the tree, each LED bulb found its place, turning the tree into a dazzling spectacle. This modern lighting was a statement of sustainability, a nod to a brighter, greener future. As our tree's transformation journey continued, it's time for the glitters. To achieve the modern look, I've carefully chosen my ribbons and ornaments in muted colors. I like to place this gorgeous champagne gold mesh first. It's a big block of color and gives a basic structure to our Christmas tree decoration. Then, I added some feathery ornaments for diversity and textures. The tree began to resemble a grand piece of jewelry, sparkling and splendid in every way. But adorning a tree is more than just placing ornaments at random. My champagne flowers hadn't arrived at that time, so I started to place my big special ornaments. Placing ornaments is like printmaking on a tree. I gathered all my pink ornaments here and spread them evenly around the tree first. When my flowers came, I placed them as another layer of decoration. Then came the white layer to add a pop of lightness. I used some small champagne ornaments to fill in any gaps I felt were lacking. There it was, my beloved Christmas tree, reborn and radiant in its new attire. The journey from a dim, tired tree to this magnificent spectacle was a journey of renewal, both for the tree and for me. It stood there, not just as a festive decoration, but as a testament to the beauty of transformation and the joy of the holiday season. Thank you for joining me in this special journey. Merry Christmas, and until next time, keep spreading the holiday spirit